When you're on a budget or you have no budget at all, you gotta use what you have on hand. And this is what we had on hand. This is a sheet, a cardboard box, and my husband's Craftsman work garage light. But hey, it did the trick for a little while. It's definitely time for an upgrade. So there are 3 different temperature colors. They have a high cold, like a blue light color. Then they have an intermediate where you have both cool and warm tones. And then you have a warm tone. So this is the warm tone. This is the intermediate. And then you have the really bright cool blue tones. You can also dim it. So you have a 30%, 60%, 80%, or 100%. This is 30, 60, 80, and then 100%. You can dim it to your desired lighting, or you can go back up. And then the side ones, these K does the temperature, so you can lower it or make it go brighter, more blue or more warm. All right, let's go check these light boxes out. First of all, they're huge. You get 2 of them. They have the softbox lighting, or they have the grid lighting if you need that. They're lightweight, first of all, very lightweight. They have an aluminum stand back here, but they also have controls on the back as well, where you can control everything I just showed you on the remote. You can also turn them on and off. Setup was easy. They do come with these stands. You can turn it off. And it has this little button right here in the middle. You kind of have to feel for it on the inside. It's right in the middle, directly in the middle. And you have to secure it, push the little button, and it releases. And you can close it down. Just like that. Comes with this carrying case that you can put both of them in there. So if you want to take it with you to like an event or some other location to record something, it can travel. It's very travel friendly. Super easy to move from room to room compared to that looking thing right there. If you are in need of a nice lighting setup like this one, I'm going to put the Amazon link down in the description below.